So it looks like I'll be playing later this week. All right, today is a first alert weather day. Most of our morning rain has come to an end. Yes, there are a few puddles out there and some subtle rises on some of those creeks and streams and rivers, all due to the pockets of heavy rain that we had last night. Please send me on in your rainfall amounts and what you have on the rain gauge for this morning. Then for the afternoon, I have it highlighted in yellow here. This is highly dependent on where we get some sunshine. All of us going to get some scattered showers and thunder showers, but one or two of us, especially south of US 30. We're talking to Plymouth, Argus, over towards Rochester, Fulton, Warsaw, Silver Lake areas that we're going to have to watch out for one or two stronger storms that could move in for the afternoon hours. And then for the evening, those showers and storms moves out, the wind increases, and we start to drop our temperatures. So our greatest chance of some active weather for today, it's going to head our way during the heart of the afternoon and early evening between 2 and 6 p.m. And we're going to have to watch out for one or two of these storms to produce some gusty wind and some small hail, and of course added flooding concerns on this first alert Tuesday. So let's pay close attention to future track. Again, we have the waterworks that are out there downstate Indiana right now. That is moving off towards the east. By late morning, early afternoon, most of us go dry, and we're going to be watching the cloud cover very closely. Where we can see a few peaks of sunshine, that's where we can kind of re-energize the atmosphere. And you notice here at 3 p.m., notice how we get some of those oranges and reds, even up here into home, along and south of US 30. That's where one or two stronger storms could develop, but the most active weather is going to stay just south and east of Michiana, especially over towards Ohio, and that's where they could be looking at a tornado threat later on today. For us, more of just a quick gust of wind up around 50 miles per hour, maybe some hailstones as large as 1/4 of an inch, as well as some flooding concerns. And then behind that, turns cold. We get the blue showing on up. We're going to have to watch out for some snow showers headed our way for our first alert weather day for Wednesday that I want to first alert you to. During the morning hours of tomorrow, we're going to have some light rain and snow showers around. Good news, though, our temperature going to stay just above freezing. So outside of maybe a slick spot on one or two bridges or elevated surfaces, no direct road impacts. And then for the afternoon and evening, we're going to continue those rain and snow showers. And for Wednesday evening into Thursday morning, we'll have to watch out for an isolated slick bridge. Looking ahead to our first alert 10-day, we're going to eventually improve the weather here as we get towards the end of this week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, looking at the sunshine increasing as well as warmer temperatures, and we're still keeping an eye on near 70 early next week. 16 Morning News now continues right after this break.